In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit crypto in Vantage. This process is a little different from a standard funding method, so I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few practical tips along the way. First, sign into your Vantage client portal and land on your account dashboard. It's important to start here because crypto deposits aren't done through MT4 or MT5. The client portal is where the deposit tools live, and it ensures your funds are routed correctly. Once you're in the portal, head to the Funds section, choose Deposit, and then select the Crypto or V-Wallet option. All crypto deposits flow through the V-Wallet system. Think of V-Wallet as your central wallet inside Vantage. It's the secure staging area for your crypto before you allocate it to any trading accounts. Next, choose the coin and the network you want to use. The platform supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT on TRC20, ERC20, and BEP20, and USDC on ERC20. Take your time here and pick carefully. The coin and the network must match exactly with what you'll send from your external wallet. For example, USDT on TRC20 is not the same as USDT on ERC20 or BEP20. Selecting the wrong network can lead to failed or lost transfers, so double-check before moving on. Also remember that different networks have different fees and speeds. TRC20 is often faster and cheaper than ERC20, while Bitcoin can take longer due to its confirmation times. After confirming your selection, Vantage will generate a deposit address for that coin and network. You can copy the address to your clipboard or scan the QR code if your wallet supports it. This address is unique to your account, so always use the one displayed in your portal for the specific asset and network you selected. Now open your external crypto wallet or exchange, such as a mobile wallet or a centralized exchange. Paste the Vantage address carefully, select the exact same network you chose in the portal, enter the amount you want to send, and review everything before confirming. Be mindful of any network fees and make sure they won't reduce your transfer below what you intend to deposit. Finally, wait for blockchain confirmations. Most deposits arrive within about 90 minutes, though timing varies by network conditions. You can track the transaction in your wallet's history, and once confirmed, it will appear in your V-Wallet balance. That's it. Log in, use the V-Wallet deposit path, pick the right coin and network, send to your unique address, and wait for confirmations.